Welcome to 16445 Otsego in Encino. This is a brand new build. Approximately 5,000 square feet. A beautiful custom home. White oak flooring. So many lights. Look at underneath this. This is awesome. Look how beautiful this is. We have a butler's pantry. Look at this kitchen. It's awesome. Look at that. I love this house. This is pretty amazing. I've sold a bunch of brand new builds, and this is pretty spectacular. A pool. This is a pool house, but the pool house has a bathroom, so you might be able to make this into a ADU. Look at that. Look at the lighting. It's pretty awesome. Wine bar. Let's check upstairs. So you have 4 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom down. Here's the main bedroom. High ceilings. Walk-in closet. Nice fireplace. Speakers everywhere, lights. Nice big bathroom. Tub. Good shower. Look at that. So all the upstairs bedrooms have their own baths. So the price of this beauty is $4.295. Almost 10,000 square foot lot. Walk in. Pretty sweet, huh? Call me. My name's Blayne Pacelli, 310-383-6281. If you want to check out this beauty. Hope to see you here.
Contact Blayne Pacelli, your local realtor, today at 310-383-6281.